Consulting Group. So, ladies and gentlemen, it was lovely having you over, albeit on the virtual mode. Before we close the proceedings of the day, it's my pleasure to call on Mr. Gopal Murli Bhagat, Deputy Chief Executive of Indian Banks Association, to propose a vote of thanks. Sir, over to you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Devi Shankar. Distinguished Chairman, Managing Directors, Chief Executive Officers, Executive Directors, and Board Officials of member banks, Honorable Deputy Chairman, Indian Banks Association, Shri Rajkiran Rai ji, Honorable Shri Sunil Mehta ji, Chief Executive IBA, our distinguished keynoter of the day, Shri Krishnamurthy Shankar, EVP and Group CHRO, Infosys Limited, Shri Prateek Roongta, Managing Director and Partner, Boston Consulting Group, our knowledge partners, other distinguished speakers and panelists from member banks, sponsoring partners, Union Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, and industry associate sponsor, Manipal Group, seasoned bankers from Indian banking fraternity, friends from media. On behalf of Indian Banks Association, I have been given the privilege of addressing and thanking such an august audience of senior most bankers who have taken valuable time off to be with fellow bankers, fellow member banks on the sidelines of IBA's third annual IBA Banking HR Conclave. On which, being on virtual mode, we at IBA are delighted to see a record number of brilliant banking professionals converge here to hear, learn and adapt. This is ample testimony of the fact that the Indian banking community has an insatiable appetite for knowledge and learning at all stages of their careers. Dear bankers, you will agree that your association was able to put together some rather compelling and comprehensive contents in today's meeting. Our keynoter, Mr. Krishnamurthy Shankar, EVP and Group CHRO, Infosys, has aptly called it a defining decade for Indian banking. We remain thankful to him for sharing critical insights and the key people challenges in 2020 and beyond. Thank you, Mr. Shankar, for sparing your time to be here with us today. I also honestly thank Mr. K. Ramkumar, former career banker and co-founder of Leadership Center, to share his hard-won experience on delivering on HR-led transformation and people's priorities for the new now. Your session was well timed, and I'm sure this has been well received by our dear bankers. Friends, today we were also witness to 3 panel discussions and 1 fireside chat, and all of which were extremely interesting and thought-provoking. Bank board members, executive directors, CHROs, HR experts offered us sage advice and also dwell into the mission-critical challenges and issues of banking HR domain. I wish to thank each of the speaker and panelists for enriching the discussions of the day. Before I end my brief note, I would like to wholeheartedly thank the Management Committee of Indian Banks Association that saw eminent wisdom and vision in organizing this exclusive and dedicated banking HR workshop for the benefit of member banks. My sincere gratitude to Shri Sunil Mehta, Chief Executive IBA, for his constant guidance, support, and motivation to his colleagues to strive and achieve more. I also acknowledge the great contribution of PFCI, our event managers, and Shri Devi Shankar, the Master of Ceremony. I am also pleased to note the hard work and efforts put in by Team IBA and its various departments over the past several weeks to see this function successful. I thank our dear sponsors and our knowledge partners and presenters for their all-round support for this cause. I will now take your leave. Do take great care of yourself and your loved ones, and do write in to us with your suggestions and feedback. We do look forward to it. And I want to leave you with thought by Norman Vincent Peale, and who once said, have great hopes and dare to go all out for them. Have great dreams and dare to live them. Have tremendous expectations and believe in them. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. That was indeed a wonderful closure. And I thank Deputy Chief Executive Sir for having offered his vote of thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Curtains